What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Masked Up Motors, and this is your boy, Daddy. So today we are not continuing this. I mean, I did primer it with the appropriate primer. Yeah, that's all I really did to it. Nothing's really changed much. Oh, yeah, and I bought some masking tape, so instead of using electrical tape, masking tape. Anyways, another thing that I realized is the tie rods on this car. No bueno. No, they're really shaky. So I decided to pick up a set of these sweet looking Grim Speed tie rods, and it might be a little bit difficult to do. I really hope not. I'm really hoping a good old hammer can do it. If not, I do have a ball joint press and on the way. Yeah, so I just want to do a little quick review and install to I'm already opening it without even guys looking at it. But anyways, I want to show you guys this Grim Speed set that I picked up, and maybe we'll do like a little unboxing for the Bondo kit that I bought for trying to fix this thing up. Alright guys, so here is my lovely new set of Grim Speed stuff. It doesn't come naturally with the silver paint on top. I did that so you guys don't stalk me. You know, we don't want people knowing where I live. Oh, it's not even Grim Speed. Jeez, man, I messed up hardcore. It's Cobb. Wow. Yeah, so Jeral, anytime that I said Grim Speed, can you just, I don't know, type over Cobb? Wow, amateur mistake. Wow, these are pretty heavy duty. A lot more, very much more impressed than I thought they would be. Like, they're pretty hardcore. Looks like it's very nicely made. Look at that, guys. Oh man, you can't even barely move this. Look at that. Oof, I'm excited for that. I don't like how the paint is kind of like already chipping off. It's very unfortunate. But the packaging for this, like, this is nice. I never had a packaging like this before for a bunch of tie rods. Once again, paint on this side, pretty janked up. I mean, not that it matters, you know, because I'm probably gonna smack it with a hammer. But let's see, is there anything else in here? Any paperwork? Man, they didn't even give me stickers, man. I love it when places give me stickers. Lame. Well, at least it came in a nice box. I do like me a nice box. Comes with these lovely new sets of Carter pins. Look at that, fresh Carter pins. And yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. But anyways, let's take a look at this Bondo or fiberglass repair kit. Wow. So let's see what we got, what's inside. So we have fiberglass resin. Oh, causes eye, skin, and digestive tract burns. May be harmful if swallowed. It says may be harmful, so won't kill you. And let's see, we got some fiberglass mat. If you guys are going to be working with fiberglass, if you guys are going to be sanding with fiberglass, highly recommend you wear a mask unless you want fiberglass in your lungs. It's not cool. Also, it's pretty itchy. I don't know if you ever had that cotton candy stuff that's hiding behind your walls. Yeah, it's not actually cotton candy. I learned that the hard way. And we got some liquid hardener with this, and I'm assuming they give you a nice little spatula. I wish I had two. It said, whoa. I'm missing a piece. They said that there's a mixing stick and tray. Do not have a mixing stick and tray. Wow. I'm very disappointed. I guess I'm just gonna have to use this box. Wait, what? So right here it says the kit includes 1 can of resin. Check. 1 tube of hardener. Check. 1 fiberglass mat. 8 square feet. Check. 1 plastic spreader. Check. Cool. Here, fiberglass resin, liquid hardener, plastic spreader, fiberglass cloth, mixing stick and tray. Bruh. So which one is it? Annoying. I think this is what do you call that? Man, why are words so hard today? False advertisement. That's what it is. So come on, get it together, guys. Get it together. But anyways, let's start the install for these Cobb tie rods. All right, so looking at this, first thing I noticed, there's a puddle of oil. Great. Well, I guess that's something I need to address at a later time, but not right now. Okay, so here we go. Here's the old tie rod right here. Old one. Now, this is your alignment. I'm going to put a piece of masking tape, since I conveniently have masking tape, just so I can know where it was previously screwed on, mostly because I don't want to get a wheel alignment, it's definitely recommended that you do. So you should get one if you're attempting this. But if you're willing to risk it all, you'll be like me. So we got this thing, and we got this right over here. So we gotta take off this bolt right here, right on the control arm, and hopefully good old some smacks can get this off the ground. Yeah, let's give it a shot. All right, so first things first, PB Blaster. Yes. Drink it all, PB Blaster. Everywhere, every nook and cranny. You want everything all nice and juicy. You gotta get everything. And we let it cook for 350 degrees for 35 minutes. All right, so I know you guys can't really see too much what I'm doing, but I'm gonna take off the first tie rod. Hopefully I get this right the first time. And no way I'm wrong. Can't believe it, guys. And what? No way. Wow, it's a 19. All right, we got this breaker bar going. Gonna try to wiggle it out a little bit, hope for the best. Someone told me if I wiggle it enough, it'll work. I think that was a complete and utter lie. Let's see if my good old DeWalt can do the trick. Guys, I am questioning my own strength. That is incredible. I am stunned. Oh, I completely forgot to put masking tape to the spot where I want to end at. You can use tape, you can use a marker. Now, I'm just gonna leave that in for now, and I'm gonna try this one right here. Let's see if this one can do it. Time for the breaker bar. There we go. She's free. All right, now we just gotta take out this carder pin down here. All right, this one I might need a breaker bar. I don't have enough space. Come on, I can do it. I'm strong. Oh, am I going the right way? There we go. All right, so here I am. I finally took them out. I kind of just slightly put the bolt in so I don't mess up the actual bolt, even though I'm not gonna reuse it, but I don't know. It's kind of a habit, I guess. But if you're wearing headphones, cover your ears because it's gonna be kind of loud. She's free. Maybe I shouldn't have done that because now it's just moving freely. Amazing. I don't want to get off to get some tools. All right, so I vice gripped it. Hopefully it's tight enough. So just what I need. That might give me issues later. Maybe I should just leave this in here while I take the other thing out. Yeah, maybe I should do that. So right now, I am currently loosening up the tie rod. I undid this bolt right here, just a tad, so I can start loosening the tie rod out. All right, guys, so she's free at last. Finally got it out. However, I should have marked where the bolt was and put tape on it. Oh man, I messed that one up royally. Great, now I might actually need a wheel alignment. Well, I guess the other side will be better, hopefully. That's annoying. All right, well, now I just gotta take the other thing out. Fun, very fun. Guys, the things that I had to do to get this thing off. I had to use a vice grip, a new bar that I welded just to get this off. Jesus, oh my God, this thing is so bad. Guys, look at this. This is beyond horrible. It was really in there. There's all this rust just giving me a hard time. This is what happens when you live in the north, man. You get this. Useless. Well, now it's time to put the new Cobb. Time to put in the new Cobb. All right, so first things first, all we gotta do, screw this in. I lubed up everything nice, so I shouldn't have issues with anything. And I should have really remembered where. Yeah, I know. Don't remind me, guys, where that nut was left off. Yeah, that seems about right. I just gotta tighten it. All right, guys, so I got that, I forgot what it's called, a bump steer. I got that bump steer in. It was a huge pain in the butt. Be careful to not move this around too much because I did take out my CV axle by accident. And so now I gotta put fluids in there for my diff. I just kind of sat here and contemplated my life choices. But yeah, I also messed up this thing too because I should have marked it. So it's trying to save me a trip to the wheel alignment place so I didn't get a wheel alignment. And that's all there is to it. I did buy another set of end links for this one because these look like they're pretty worn. And on top of that, I'm not putting everything on at the moment because I do want to check out what's leaking down there. So I'm not even gonna bother putting everything, like I'm not gonna put the tire back on. I just want to see what's leaking back there so I can get that squared away. It's looking pretty spicy. Yeah, so we got that Cobb and we got this other Cobb bump steer looking pretty fresh, except for that oil. And all you needed was all of these array of tools. That's all you needed, guys. All right, guys, so that's all I got for you guys for today. I still gotta get the other side done, but I am tired. If you normally work on cars, you would understand that sometimes everything doesn't work out as it should. Like this should have taken me 20 minutes. I ended up taking about 5 hours. Yeah. Rust is annoying, but guys, anything can be a tool. Remember that. Just use your imagination and anything can be a tool. Leave a comment below if you use weird things as tools. But anyways, guys, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification button to let you know when I am coming out with another video because some exciting things are coming. Besides fixing this monstrosity, already have instant regrets, but you know what, YOLO. I'll see you guys next time.